Another quiet day, eh, rookie?
Too quiet, Captain. An emergency! Let's go!
Finally, some action! On board, rookie!
Almost there, Captain.
Engines on!
Post secure, Captain.
Full speed ahead! There it is, Captain!
Right there, Captain, on the pier.
I see it! Get ready to dock! Boat secured! Hose ready to deploy!
Ready when you are, Captain.
On my mark! Bracing for pressure! Opening valve. Slowly. Whoa!
Did you see that?
That caught in some finisher.
That's
Some pressure. Can't control it! I've got it! Hold steady! Okay, let's try that again. Carefully this time.
Yes, Captain. Very carefully. What's all the fuss about?
Easy now. Aim for the flames only.
Just a trickle, rookie.
Tiny trickle initiated. It's still too much. Hey, what was that? My hat. Come back, little Cap! Rookie! That's not the fire!
My apologies, Captain.
Right. Focus. Both hands.
Now, Rookie, just a puff. Smallest puff, sir.
Unbelievable!
The fire's out! But... the hose isn't!
I've lost it! Watch out!
I'll get it! My helmet!
Got it! Water off! Well, that's something. Something.
I'm really sorry, Captain. I'll get a mop. Aha! There's the culprit.
Oh, no! The pressure regulator!
Just needs a little adjustment.
So it was just that. Sometimes, Rookie, it's the little things. Well, at least the fire's out.
Job done, I suppose.
Time to head back to base. Next time, I'm bringing a watering can.